स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। षष्ठकक्षायाः नूतनः पाठः वृक्षाः। षष्ठकक्षायां वृक्षाः इति पाठं पठन्तः स्मः। Welcome my dear boys to the online classes. Today we are going to learn the lesson, the poem Vrikshaha. In the previous classes we have learned how to sing this poem. Today and in the next class we have learnt the meaning of the poem. Today we will start the exercises of this. Before that we will sing the poem once. वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षा वनं वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षा वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षा वनं वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षा शाकादोलासीना विहगा तैः किमपि कूजन्ति वृक्षा शाकादोलासीना विहगा तैः किमपि कूजन्ति वृक्षा पिबन्ति पवनं जलं सन्ततं साधुजना इव सर्वे वृक्षा पिबन्ति पवनं जलं सन्ततं साधुजना इव सर्वे वृक्षा स्पृशन्ति पादैः पातालं च नभः शिरस्सु वहन्ति वृक्षा स्पृशन्ति पादैः पातालं च नभः शिरस्सु वहन्ति वृक्षा पयोदर्पणे स्वप्रतिबिम्बं कौतुकेन पश्यन्ति वृक्षा पयोदर्पणे स्वप्रतिबिम्बं कौतुकेन पश्यन्ति वृक्षा प्रसार्य स्वच्छाया संस्तरणं कुर्वन्ति सत्कारं वृक्षा प्रसार्य स्वच्छाया संस्तरणं कुर्वन्ति सत्कारं वृक्षा वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षा वनं वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षाः प्रत्येकस्मिन् वने वृक्षाः निवसन्ति ते एव वृक्षाः वनं रचयन्ति trees stay in the forest and these trees make the forest शाकादोलासीना विहगा तैः किमपि कूजन्ति वृक्षाः on the swings branches are like the swings of the tree. The birds are coming and sitting on the branches of the swing. The trees are speaking with them. पिबन्ति पवनं जलं सन्ततं साधुजना इव सर्वे वृक्षाः. As the saints drink only water and the air, so the trees take only air and water. So in real, the trees are like saints. Sprushanti padeh patalancha nabhashirassu vahanti vrikshaha. Padehi, with their legs, they touch the ground. Patalancha, underground, they touch. Nabhashirassu vahanti vrikshaha. With their head, they touch the sky. पयोदर्पणे स्वप्रतिबिम्बं कौतुकेन पश्यन्ति वृक्षाः. In the mirror of water, payodarpanam, payaha means water, jalam, darpane, in the mirror, in the water mirror they see their own image with curiosity, kautukena, with curiosity. Prasarya swachhaya samstaranam kurvanti satkaram vrukshaha. By spreading the mat of their own shade, they show the hospitality to their guests. So that's why trees are so great. And I have given you a PDF. I have sent an image of the Shabdas and Dhatus in the last week. So here, there you can find Akaranta Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga Shabdas which you have to note down and practice. It will help you in the examinations. So now we are starting the exercise. Okay. Abhyasaha exercise. Vachananusaram riktasthanani purayata. So vachanam ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. One is given, like that another one you have to write. Understood? So first you should know whether it is there in Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga. So in Pullinga, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramibhyaha, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramibhyaha, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu. Like that Shabda will run. In Strilinga, Lata, Late, Lataha, Latam, Late, Lataha, Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabihi, लतायै लताभ्यां लताभ्यः लतायाः लताभ्यां लताभ्यः लतायाः लतयोः लतानां लतायां लतयोः लतासु. Like that it will run in the Strilinga. Napumsakalinga is vanam vane vanani vanam vane vanani vanena vanabhyam vanaihi vanaya vanabhyam vanebhyah vanat vanabhyam vanebhyah vanasya vanayoho vananam vane vanayoho vaneshu. Like this the shabdas will run. Understood? Here let us see the example and write. In the last three previous classes, I have given you the writing pattern. I hope you are matured enough. Now I will tell you the answers orally. You have to write on your own. So if you can't follow, just pause the video. After writing you can continue. Of course sufficient time will be given to you. Prathamam pashyamah yatha. Yatha means as example. Vanam ekavachanam, vane dvivachanam, vanani iti bahuvachanam. So now you have to see the next one. Jale dvivachana is given. It's ekavachana and bahuvachana should be written. So ekavachana for jala is jalam. Just like vanam, you can write jalam. Dvivachana jale, it is given. Bahuvachana is jalani. Jalam, jale, jalani. Next, bimbam. Bimbam means image. Is it? Bimbam. Ekavachanam. Dvivachane bimbe. 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 Dvivachanam. Bahuvachanam बिम्बानि. बहुवचनं बिम्बानि इति भवति. बिम्बं बिम्बे बिम्बानि. वनं वने वनानि. जलं जले जलानि. बिम्बं बिम्बे बिम्बानि. Next is Pullinga Shabda. The example of Pullinga Shabda. We have studied the Rama Shabda. Is it? Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Is it? Prathama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Iti bhavati. Like that. Today. Vrikshaha, Vrikshau, Vrikshaha. Prathama Vibhakti. Here example is given. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Vriksham, Vrikshau, Vrikshan. So you have to write now Dvitiya Vibhakti of Pavanan. Pavanan is Bahuvachana. Ekavachana Pavanam. Pavanam. Dvivachane Pavanau. Pavanan. Vriksham, Vrikshau, Vrikshan. Pavanam, Pavanau, Pavanan. Pavanam, Pavanau, Pavanan. Anantaram Janau iti dvivachanamasti. एकवचने जनम, जनम, जनौ, जनान, जनम, जनौ, जनान इति लिखन्तु। वृक्षं, वृक्षौ, वृक्षान्, पवनं, पवनौ, पवनान्, जनं, जनौ, जनान् इति भवति। अत्र प्रथमं तु नपुंसकलिङ्गं पठितम्, अनन्तरं पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीया विभक्तिः अस्ति। अत्र तु उपरि प्रथमा विभक्तिः अनन्तरं द्वितीया विभक्तिः दत्ता वर्तते। ध्यानेन पठन्तु, सश्रद्धं लिखन्तु। बी केर्फुल्। अनन्तरम् अनन्तराभ्यासम् अनन्तरकक्षायां पठिष्यामः। भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनम्। अद्यतनम् अभ्यासम् एकवारं पठामः। श्वः पुनः किञ्चित् वेगेन गमिष्यामः, because first time I am dictating you, I am giving you some time. So in the next class we will move little fast. Okay. Today we have learnt vanam, vane, vanani, jalam, jale, jalani, bimbam, bimbe, bimbani. These three are napumsakalingas. Next one is pullinga dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Vriksham, vrikshau, vrikshan, pavanam, pavanau, pavanan, janam, janau, jana. See, you should be very careful. जल शब्दः नपुंसकलिङ्गे अस्ति, जन शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति। अस्तु, I hope you understood well. So write thoroughly, clearly, no doubts. If you have any doubts, please ask me through WhatsApp only, because many times I will be taking your classes in the laptop. I cannot attend your calls. So if you ask your questions in the WhatsApp, I will definitely answer them. धन्यवादाः। भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनम्।